Welcome everyone. In this video, let's look into how you could upload a finish to your personal library and later apply this to your cabinet and finally control its visual property in your real-time rendering window. So for that, first in your landing page, click on Personal Library. This will open up your personal library of model. In this, we have to click on this texture tab, where you will see the list of textures which you so far uploaded in your login. In this, on the top right, you have something called upload textures. Click it, where this will open up your upload window. So here I can either drag and drop the finish from my system, or I can just click on this upload from computer. This will open up the browse window where I can navigate to the folder where I have that finish. And once you navigate it to the folder, just click on that finish, click on open. That selected finish will be uploaded. And once it is uploaded, here can you see you have something called name here. This talks about the name of the specific finish. In default, it will take the file name as the texture name too, but if you want, you can just double click it and rename it. In addition to that, here you have something called material category. Just click it and here you will see different materials category and subcategories. Based on a finish what you're uploading, just select a category and subcategory appropriately. In my case, this one comes under boards and laminated. I can just click it. And once your material category is selected, then comes in your texture category. In texture category, if you select, you will see different types of texture categories here. In this, you can just select any texture category. It will eventually be uploaded in your My Accounts. But if you're focusing on applying the specific finish to a cabinet, it is better that to select one texture category from the list which is displayed now. And once you selected a texture category, the next important thing here is mapping dimension. Here, if you're uploading any finish, it is better that you know the width and length of that specific finish. In my case, this is a laminate. So eventually this will be 4 × 8 feet. So I can precisely tab it. But in some finishes, you might not get it like the entire laminate board. Instead, you might get it like a cropped option. In that case, it is better that you at least type in the width and length of that specific finish approximately. Once that is done, just click on upload texture. Your texture will precisely be uploaded. And if you want, you can just click on this check texture, where your uploaded finish will be visible here in your personal library under textures tab. Let me follow the same process and upload another similar finish too. And now once your textures are uploaded, now we can directly move to your project. For this demonstration, I've used this kitchen model here. And for this project, I would like to apply my uploaded finish for the shutters of this cabinet. So for that, I can just select any cabinet here. On the right, it will show you its respective parameters. In that, click on door style. There you will see door external and internal finish. Click on door external finish. This will open up our catalog. Right now, can you see we are in the enterprise catalog. Enterprise represents NAADI. But I would like to now apply my uploaded finish. So for that, on the right hand side, can you see there is a small triangle, right? Click it. And at last, you will see the personal. Click on that personal tab. And here under uploaded section, your uploaded finishes will be visible. Can you see this is the finish which I uploaded. And this is the second finish which I uploaded. So now I can precisely select this finish. Just in seconds, your finish will be applied to the shutter. And then you could use your material brush, shortcut is M, to copy this finish from this shutter, and I can apply this for other shutters too. Now let me follow the same process and apply another finish to all my base cabinets here. So once you applied your uploaded finish, and now if you would like to control some visual property of this finish, you can do that in your real-time rendering. For that, click on this image/video, shortcut is all 0. This will open up your rendering window. And in this rendering window, if you scroll down on the left tab, you will see something known as real-time rendering. Under that, you will see add to, click it, and this will ask you to select the appropriate template for your real-time rendering. So let me just select indoor daytime, click on confirm, and now this will open up your real-time rendering window. And in this real-time rendering window, you could not only change the lighting, the render settings and the environment, you could also edit and replace a finish too. So that way, let me select this finish, and on the right hand side, it will show you its visual properties under different maps. In this, you need to focus on 3 important maps. One is your diffuse reflection, second one is your reflection, and third one is your reflective glossiness. So if you would like to control the visual appeal in terms of hue, saturation, brightness of a specific texture, under diffuse reflection, can you see on the right hand side there is something called edit textures, right? Click it, and this will open up your editing texture window where you can control the hue, saturation, brightness, gamma, contrast. In addition to that, you can even horizontally scale up a texture, vertically scale up a texture, you can lateral offset it, longitudinal offset, or you can even rotate the textures. All these visual editing for the texture could be done in your diffuse reflection if you click on this editing texture. But in this case, I want to specifically edit my glossiness, because right now can you see all these laminates are matte finish, but I'm looking for a eye gloss finish. In that case, I could focus on my reflection and my reflective glossiness. So in that, first make sure your reflection color is either white or light gray. If it is in darker gray tone or black, please change it back to white or light gray. So in this case, if you notice right now the reflection color is black. Click it and change it to white or light gray. In my case, let me just keep it as white. So once that is set in, you can just scroll down and go to your reflective glossiness. In your reflective glossiness, click on this numeric value, and here can you see it will open up a slider, and this slider plays a very crucial role in controlling the glossiness. So if this slider is in 1, which is the maximum value, that specific selected texture will be an eye gloss finish. If you set it anywhere between 0.8 to 0.9, it will be a gloss finish. If you set it anywhere between 0.6 to 0.7 or 0.75, it will be a satin finish. If you set it to 0.5 or less than 0.5, it will be a matte finish. So this way you should be able to precisely control the glossiness based on your requirement. Okay, and now can you see this one is a matte finish, and if I increase it to 1, this has become a eye gloss finish. Here you could see the reflection on this part. And once you edited a specific texture, you don't have to again do the same process for the other similar textures too. Instead, use your material brush here, shortcut is here, to copy this edited texture and apply this to your other cabinets. That way all those selected cabinets will also experience the same edit. Can you see here? It has become an eye gloss finish. Now I could do the same process for the base cabinet too. And once this material editing is done, you could focus on your lighting, render settings, and make this entire scene as visually pleasing as possible. And once that is done, on the top, you have a render setting. Click it. Here, select the aspect ratio for the render, select the resolution of the render, and you can take the render within this real-time rendering itself. And once you did all this editing, make sure to save this template and exit this real-time rendering window. Kindly remember all the material editing, lighting, render settings, what we are setting within this real-time rendering template stays only within this template. It doesn't get reflected in your model. So this is how you should be able to upload a finish, apply that to a cabinet, and edit its visual property in your real-time rendering window.